Alright, so basically, I have taken off. What I'm planning to do is put on like one of the dirt biking number plates, because I just think it'll look cooler. And the headlight wasn't doing crap anyway, it's terrible. So I've taken the whole headlight assembly off, and then this part I just took right off of the old fender that used to hold the license plate on the back. I had to drill the holes a little bit wider to fit in the what's it called, blinkers. They work and everything, so it's good. And so now I've hooked up this light bar. I'm not sure where I got these things. They just kind of wrap around the forks, but I just found them in our garage, so I used them. They're just held on by zip ties right now, like right here, but eventually I'll probably do something with it. And I'm not sure how I'm gonna wire this thing up, because really all I have is this. But when I plug it into like these two right here, it lights up, because this used to be attached to the old headlight. So I don't know anything about voltage or if it'll burn out these lights. I'm just gonna wing it, so hopefully it works. So here's the old headlight thing. What I'm gonna try to do is basically just take this, just for my convenience, and plug the wires from the light bar into this whole fixture. Now don't do any of this until the end of the video, because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of seeing if it works. Alright, so I've got all these little things. I don't know anything about this, so sue me. But these things out of here. I'm gonna try to get the wires out of two of these, put them on the wires to the light bar. So I have thought of a better way to do it, which I don't know about better, because I don't know if it'll work. But pardon these, I don't have any wire cutters or strippers. I'm sure I do, but I don't know where they are. So basically, just gonna cut these, strip it down a bit, and connect them to the wires of the light bar. All right, incredibly, this actually worked. So basically, I just took the two wires from the headlight bar, and I don't have like a soldering thing, so I just twisted them, then taped them up with electrical tape, stuck them inside this, which is from the old headlight, and just connected it, and it works. So mission accomplished. Now I'm gonna put on the number plate and see how it all looks. Well, couldn't have come a day too soon, or I don't know, however the expression goes. Immediately after installing the wheelie bar, I looped for the first time. Surprisingly, well no, besides the foot pegs, the most damaged part of me is my pants. But I don't know if the wheelie, it definitely did get something, because it's bent right now, but probably would have taken out my rear light if I hadn't just installed it. Oh yeah, right here. Great thing I installed it today. I actually built it today. I've got the whole new setup down there. Well, as my first loop goes, not that terrible. You really don't know what's happening. I thought I fell on my ass. I'm not sure how my knee got something, but I'm good. So, just looped to the bike. Probably the best time to explain how I built this wheelie bar, which I just did today. very lucky, because this thing would have, it just got right here, but this whole thing would have been cracked. That would have been a mess to replace. I did lose a peg over there, but so basically I just took a bar, bent it, drilled holes, and put it in these back two. And I changed the place of my license plate to right there. I'm sure eventually someone will tell me to put it in a better place. It's strong there though, so that's fine. This thing held up well. It just took a scratch right here, which actually went pretty deep, but I don't know, it stayed on. Nothing's cracked, so consider that a win in my book.